This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall MongoDB 6 and MongoDB Compass on Windows 11 operating system. Click on Settings, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps. Here you can see the MongoDB 6. Click on Uninstall. We have successfully uninstalled MongoDB 6. Next I am going to uninstall MongoDB Compass. Click on Uninstall. And we have successfully uninstalled MongoDB Compass. You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.